Hey everybody, welcome to my channel Singing with Lauren. My name's Lauren, I'm a singer and a voice teacher, and today I'm going over a complete vocal warm-up for you. So if you are a singer and you're looking for a community of singers, you need to come join my free Facebook group, The Singing Collective. And there we discuss everything about singing, technique, what songs we're working on, and you'll even have a chance to share your music with us in the group and get some feedback. You can find the link for that in the description. And if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, I would really appreciate it if you just click that red button and give me a quick subscribe. It really helps our channels as YouTube creators when our viewers subscribe, as you probably know by now. So go ahead, click subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and let's warm up together. So as we head into the last bit of the year and we start this new year, I think a great goal for your singing would be to stop skipping your warm-up. I know that you guys do it. You tell me all the time in your lessons. I want you to really reserve that time for warming up. And remember that when we warm up, we are not just throwing our voices around, but we're actually working on our vocal technique. And it's that dedicated time. You can think about it as your self-care time for your voice, of honing your technique, building better habits, and really moving forward in your vocal skills. If you always skip your warm-up and just move straight to the song, you're never going to get better because you're never specifically working on your voice without the complications of lyrics, melody line, genre, all of these things. We take away all of that when we work on our warm-ups to really simplify the process and be able to focus in. So with that being said, let's start with some breathing exercises. I love starting with breathing exercises in my own warming up. I feel like it makes the world of difference to just really get those good breaths in. So let's start. One hand on your stomach, one hand on your ribs here, and we're going to breathe out. And then we're going to breathe in for 6 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and exhale on a and inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and exhale on a Now I want you to do the same thing, but we're going to exhale on a pulse. So it's going to sound like this. Breathe in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and pulse. Awesome. Now I want you to notice that when I'm breathing in, my shoulders are remaining calm, my chest is remaining calm. All the movement really is happening right here, right? So my stomach and my ribs, they're coming out. My stomach's also gurgling because I'm hungry. So that might happen to you too. Okay, so let's try that on a pulse again. So exhale, inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, pulse it. Slow the rest out. Good. Now when you breathe in this time, I want you to just let out a really quiet sigh. So you're going to go, ah. You're just going to allow those vocal folds to just come together. Inhale. Ah. And inhale. So when you do that, you're allowing your vocal folds to just touch, and it's a really easy way to start that warm up, get that voice moving. And you can go down, up, down as well. Let's try that. Breathe. Ah. One more time. Inhale. Ah. Great. So it's really important to remember not to go gangbusters right when you start singing. You want to let your voice ease into itself, and it will sound so much better 15, 20 minutes in if you take enough time to slowly warm up. Okay, so I'm gonna turn my piano on and let's do this. And I want you to check your tongue. Is your tongue flat in your mouth? Or is it pulling back here? Don't want that. We want it flat. So right there. Keep it nice and light. Breathe. One more. Good. So you may have noticed even in that one, I'm not singing with my full voice. I'm allowing my voice time to freshen up, to get started and get going. So now let's do this one. Me, 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 me. This is really working that resonance. You're going to feel your lips itching and buzzing a little bit. That's a good sign. That means that the resonance is really coming into your mouth and you're allowing it to be there. Ready? Breathe. Me, 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 me. Let's go down. Me, 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 me. This is really itching my lips today. Me, 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 me. Me, 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 me. Me, 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 me. Cute, nice and bright down here. Me, 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 me. Okay, now let's talk a little bit about keeping the throat open, right? So when people and teachers say, keep your throat open, what they're saying is that they want you to keep these muscles relaxed, right? So put your hand here and feel all these muscles relax as you breathe in. Right? You feel that? It just totally eases everything down. And it might even feel like your throat's opening more. Then secondly, you want that tongue to be relaxed in the back of your throat. You don't want it to be pulling back. You just want it to be hanging out, right? So if you're feeling it pull back, that means that you have some tongue tension going on. You can go watch my John tongue tension video for that, but we're not going to cover that today. But just really, today just focus on keeping your tongue flat and in your mouth. So we're going to do this on an ooh. We're going to go ooh, just an easy 5-note scale. It's not about the difficulty. It's about keeping your throat open back here as you sing. Ready? Breathe. Okay, great. Now, if you were feeling like there was some throat closing in there, you really want to make sure that you're rounding your lips for the ooh, right? If you're not rounding your lips for the ooh and you're still saying the ooh vowel, if you're going like ooh, ooh, that means you're making the ooh vowel with the back of your throat, which is exactly the opposite of what we want. We want the throat to be nice and open, ooh, and easy. Okay, now let's add one more here. We're almost at a 10-minute warm-up. That's where I wanted to keep this. So let's just add one more agility exercise and then you should be ready to sing. So this one goes like this. So again, I want you to feel that bounce right in your diaphragm here. That should be nice and easy there. Let's go. Breathe. Take a moment. Take a drink of water and take a drink of my kombucha. Feel that relax. I started feeling a little bit of tension in my throat, so that means you might be feeling some tension as well. Always good to take a drink of water or just swallow. That resets the larynx. Okay, let's keep going. Where were we? I don't think we were here, but let's go here. Rely on that breath, nothing in the throat. Last one. Okay, that high note was a G sharp, so I think that was probably the highest we warmed up to. Might have been an A, if you're keeping track. And remember, when you're warming up, you always start in the middle of your voice and then you move out from there. So you never do anything crazy at the beginning of your warm-up. You want to start in the middle of your voice and then work to the outer edges. Okay, I hope you're feeling warmed up. Go work on a song that you love. Have fun singing. If it isn't fun, it isn't worth it. Love you guys. Don't forget to join the Facebook group. The link for that is in the description, and have a great day.